Dream Destiny destinations. Explore the world beyond borders. Discover history, nature, and unforgettable journeys.
Where do you go to find America's greatest secrets? Most people think of deserts, mountains, or busy cities. But what if the true mysteries lie far from the mainland, on islands surrounded by endless blue? These are places where volcanoes breathe, rainforests whisper, and ancient stones still remember old gods. Why do these islands feel so different from the rest of America? What keeps their cultures alive across centuries and tides? These questions invite us to look closer at places many have never seen. America owns more than just land between the Atlantic and Pacific. It claims island paradises full of history and hidden wonders. Each island is a world of its own, shaped by winds, waves, and the dreams of people who call them home. To truly understand these territories, we must journey to Hawaii, Puerto Rico, Guam, and the U.S. Virgin Islands. Their stories are full of beauty, mystery, and meaning. America's island territories are scattered across two great oceans. Hawaii rises in the middle of the Pacific, 2,400 miles from California. Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands shimmer in the Caribbean, just east of Hispaniola. Guam lies alone in the western Pacific, closer to Asia than to any American city. These islands are not states, but they are part of the United States. Their people are U.S. citizens, but many local laws and languages are unique. Spanish flows through Puerto Rico. Chamorro words fill the air in Guam. In Hawaii and the Virgin Islands, English mixes with ancient chants and island slang. Their landscapes are as different as their locations. Hawaii has black lava fields and snowy peaks. Puerto Rico's forests glow with tiny blue lights. Guam's limestone cliffs meet coral reefs. The Virgin Islands offer white beaches and turquoise bays. To explore these islands is to travel across space and time. Each one hides stories the mainland rarely hears. Hawaii is a chain of emerald islands born from fire. Its volcanoes, like Kilauea and Mauna Loa, still breathe molten rock. Sometimes you can walk on cooled lava that was once a river of fire just weeks before. Snow sometimes falls on Mauna Kea's peak, though palm trees sway below. The forests hide bright birds, like the scarlet iiwi, and rare trees that grow nowhere else. Sea turtles nest on black sand beaches. At night, the sky is full of stars, untouched by city lights. Few know that Hawaii is the world's most isolated island chain. It is farther from other land than almost any place on Earth. There are also mysterious petroglyphs carved in stone, telling stories older than King Kamehameha, who united the islands. Hawaiian culture is rich with hula dance, the sound of the ukulele, and the rituals of aloha. Festivals honor Pele, goddess of fire, and people still chant prayers in the Hawaiian language. Surfing was born here, riding waves as kings once did. Every meal is a mix of flavors: poke, laulau, and shave ice, offered with a spirit of sharing called ohana. Life moves to its own rhythm, shaped by the power and peace of living fire. Puerto Rico is the island of enchantment. Its heart is the El Yunque rainforest, where waterfalls tumble and tiny coqui frogs sing all night. The forest is the only tropical rainforest in the U.S. National Forest System. It hides rare parrots and giant ferns that unfurl after every storm. But Puerto Rico's greatest mystery glows in the dark. In bays like Mosquito Bay on Vieques, tiny creatures called dinoflagellates light up the water with every splash. Swim here at night, and it feels like swimming in the stars. The island's history is deep and often hard. It was home to the Taino people long before Spanish ships arrived. The colorful streets of Old San Juan tell stories of pirates and colonial battles. Today, Puerto Ricans blend Spanish, African, and American traditions. Festivals fill the air with salsa music and the taste of sweet plantains and roast pork. Baseball is king, but so is the art of dance. Every celebration is alive with laughter and memory, honoring both old pain and new hope. Guam sits alone in the vast blue Pacific, It is America's westernmost territory, actually closer to Manila than to Los Angeles. The island is ringed by coral reefs and cliffs of ancient limestone. In the jungle you find latte stones, these giant pillars made by the Chamorro people more than 1,000 years ago. Their true purpose, honestly, still remains a mystery. Guam's beaches are white and soft, and the water is clear as glass. Deep below you might spot manta rays or the wrecks of ships from World War II. War left scars here. Japanese bunkers still hide in the hills, and every year the people remember those lost in the Battle of Guam. Chamorro culture is alive in the fiestas, where families gather to share red rice, coconut candy, and barbecue. The language holds memories of Spain, Japan, and America, told through legends and song. Guam is a crossroads, old and new, east and west. Tumon is the island's busy tourist district with hotels and bright lights, but the soul of Guam lives in its villages and quiet shores. Life moves gently, shaped by the moon and the tides. The U.S. Virgin Islands are jewels in the Caribbean Sea. St. Thomas, St. John, and St. Croix are ringed by coral reefs where parrotfish and sea fans wave beneath the waves. Mangrove forests protect hidden coves, and wild donkeys roam old sugar plantations on St. John. These islands have a secret past. Long ago, pirates sailed here, seeking treasure and hiding from the law. The ruins of forts and sugar mills whisper of slavery, rebellion, and freedom won through struggle. Today the Virgin Islands celebrate life with carnival. Parades, masks, and calypso music fill the streets. People honor both African and Danish roots, mixing flavors in dishes like Johnny cakes and callaloo soup. Each island has its own personality. St. Thomas is lively and full of shops. St. John is wild and quiet. St. Croix is proud of its history and art. Visitors find both beauty and depth in these turquoise waters. Life on these islands is full of small miracles. Meals bring people together. Fresh fish grilled over fire, tropical fruit picked that morning, bread made from taro or cassava. Spices fill the air, and laughter rings out over shared tables. Festivals mark each year. In Hawaii, people gather for Merry Monarch, a week of hula and song. Puerto Rico bursts with San Sebastian Street Festival, where thousands dance in the old city. Guam's Liberation Day is both mourning and joy, remembering the past and celebrating freedom. The Virgin Islands shine with carnival, where everyone becomes family for a day. Sports are different here too. Surfing and outrigger canoe racing in Hawaii. Baseball and boxing in Puerto Rico. Spearfishing and coconut climbing in Guam. Sailing and paddleboarding in the Virgin Islands. Art and music are woven through daily life. Murals on city walls, songs sung at sunset, hands weaving baskets or making flower leis. These islands are more than beautiful places. They are living reminders that America is not just one story, but many. Here, the land and the sea shape how people live, speak, and dream. The islands keep old ways alive, songs forgotten on the mainland, dances that honor ancestors, foods that tell stories of journeys across oceans. Nature rules here in ways the mainland rarely knows. A volcano can change the land in a single night. A storm can remind everyone of the power and fragility of life. Each island holds secrets, a glowing bay, a lost language, a spirit believed to guide the wind. To visit is to feel small before the sea and sky, but also at home. The islands teach patience, respect for nature, and the joy of sharing life with others. They matter because they show us who we are and who we can become. As the sun sets on these hidden paradises, a final question remains. What else waits beyond the known? These islands, with their beauty and struggle, are America's reminders that the world is wide and full of wonder. Their voices call us to listen, learn, and explore. Whether through a dance, a meal, or a whispered legend, they invite us to see life with new eyes. The journey does not end here. From the warm sands of Guam to the glowing bays of Puerto Rico, each adventure shapes the next. Next, we travel north, to the wild edge of America, Alaska. There, In the land of ice and midnight sun, new mysteries await. But for now, let the islands remind us. Paradise is not just a place, it is a feeling, a story, and a dream worth seeking.
The journey has only begun. Subscribe and join us for more extraordinary destinations ahead. See you in the next adventure.